you. Yet, I sense fear in your hearts. You're right to be afraid. Darkness lies ahead. Now is the time to abandon hope.
I am Igor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one piece. But Igor, I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. Look closely. This is a catacombs navigation unit. All your little lab rats and your little lab rat friends get to ride one. You sit, Igor steers, nothing goes wrong. Yes? Don't look at that. This is just the emergency feature function. According to plan. Yes, doctor. The doctor will see you now. This is fun, yes?
Please, come in. Is that everyone? Excellent. I am Dr. Victoria Frankenstein. Today, you chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see. There's nothing to fear. Show them.
What's doctor?
Lower the lights, quickly. Now. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Call yourself. That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you and everything.
Don't get along. The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors! Our greatest victory is just through there. Quickly, this will change your life.
All bags, water bottles, everything.
Don't worry. Oh, you're gonna love me.
Dracula, under my control. Now, activate the machine. Wait, something's wrong. Igor, he's loose. Dracula is escaping.
I will set the nightmares free.
got you.
Don't listen to him! There's another way out. Get back! Igor, we need daylight.
You got it, boss.
Fear the dark, my friends. You can't hide from me.
All monsters will bow to the name Frankenstein.
What the doctor means is thank you for coming. Now, only good reviews, yeah?